I don't even know if I'll make a video out of this, but I came here at night because it's funny too, because they asked me if I wanted these, and they're pretty cool, but I'm not really sure how to remove them. Plus they have a light in them or something. But he was saying if I wanted them, but I'm not sure what I do with them. He was thinking I could put it on my art car or something. I'm starting to get busy again, and they just called me, and I had forgot to wash it off, so I'm going to take it off. Anyway, this was the sketch I was working on, so that's kind of fun. Yeah, I'm just waiting to hear back from these other guys, and we'll see what happens. Wow, it is sunny and warm out. It's a beautiful March day.
Talbot has been a staff writer since 2003. You're listening to the New Yorker Radio Hour. More to come.
Waiting for some paint to dry. Take a little break. Checking out my Instagram. Well, I'm back at Fran's Bakery in Hazeldale, and I just washed off the fall theme, and I'm putting up a spring theme.